Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I'm a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I talk to them about saving, investing, and growing wealth. Today's topic is this: how to make so much money. It feels like it's illegal, but it's not. Some 2 days back, I was watching a trader. There's a trader who trades gold. He's a Nigerian. He's called Mr. P. And so what Mr. P was doing was trading gold. Gold was going for a price of $2,700 to about 3,000. From 2,600 to about $2,700 dollars. So that was the price of gold. And I saw this person. He opened almost 10 positions on gold with a lot size 1. 10 positions on gold with a lot size 1. And gold moved from about 2,650 to about 2,715, and then he closed all positions. In a period of 3 days, this man had printed 9 million shillings. That is about $73,000, about 10 million shillings. For me, that was a lot of money in only 3 days. And so now I was doing the maths. If in 3 days this man can make 10 million shillings, and we have 30 days in a month, so whatever he did, I'm just trying to multiply by 10. In 3 days, he made 10 million. So in a month, how much would he make, for example? If he continues doing the same thing that he did 2 days ago. So in a month, this guy is likely to make 10 million times 10. Is likely to make 100 million shillings. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a journey to learn how to trade and become a better trader. I'll be trading gold. I'm learning to trade gold, to trade crypto, to trade Bitcoin. If you want to learn with me, I invite you to join my Telegram group. The link is below in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you one thing. I'm employed. I work at the University of Nairobi. There are some ways people make crazy money outside here. And if you are just waiting to be employed and to get a salary, we may not reach the level of wealth that we desire as human beings. I challenge you, and I'm challenging myself also, that we start exploring other ways of making serious money. One of them is forex trading. The other one is crypto trading. The other one is stock market trading. The other one is synthetic trading. The other one is options trading. There are so many ways in which people make money outside here. A month or so ago, I was reading again another story by Oluoch Patel. The guy made 2 billion. The guy made 2 billion in less than 2 months. When Bamburi Cement, I think there was a major shareholder and who wanted some shares in Bamburi Cement. And I think he sold those shares, the shares he had, and he inflated the price. Not inflated the price really, but the price kind of tripled. Bamburi used to be 20 shillings, then the price just went to 60 shillings. And Oluoch Patel, I think he exited or sold off his stake. And the guy made 2 billion shillings in less than 6 months. So ladies and gentlemen, there are so many ways people make money, and they make crazy money. And it's all done online. You can call me. Let's discuss. Let's try them out. Practically, let's try them out. Stock market, cryptocurrency, forex trading, synthetic trading, pocket options. Currently, I'm in crypto, I'm in stock market, and I'm trying out my hand in forex trading. There is a lot of money to be made outside here. It almost feels illegal, but it's not. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, and also remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. If you have a question, please drop your comments in the comment box. I will respond. Otherwise, thank you so much. You can reach out to me, call me. My number is 0720-969-361. Ask me any question you want and I'll be ready to answer you. Otherwise, thank you. God bless you and have a nice time.